My name's Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of this non-slip mat. This is a product that I was given to review. It has a non-slip surface, so that's great. I definitely like that. On the front, this is what it looks like. It has the ridges here, so that way it will help collect dirt and grime when you're first walking into the home, and then you can take your shoes off. That dirt will collect on the inside of the ridges. This also dries pretty quick as well. This is very easy to clean. This can actually be vacuumed, or even put this in the washer machine without it becoming deformed. So this will maintain its shape and keep its integrity over time. It is non-slip. It's not going anywhere as I'm pushing it, so this is something that's great for fall prevention. I could also see this being helpful if you have pets or animals. This will help collect any dog hair, or if you have a cat, this will also help to collect any hair, and then you can just take this, clean it out, vacuum it up, and throw it in the washing machine. I can see this being used in a variety of places, not just the front door, but maybe even by the garage door, a slider door, or even in the kitchen, right by the sink or right by the stove. This is something that would help provide fall prevention within the home. I would recommend this.